Hello, my name is David Hoffer, and I have chosen to do an adaptive management plan on wild turkeys in Arkansas. Arkansas is a very diverse state. In the northwest and north central, you have the Ozark Mountains as pictured here. The Ozark Mountains are very beautiful. There's a lot of recreation. It's a very rural area of the state. In East Arkansas, you have the Mississippi Alluvial Plain. In this area is where most of the rice production in the United States comes from. In addition, there is a lot of hardwood bottomlands as pictured here. In fact, in the early 1900s, this used to be the largest single tract of timber in the United States. In central Arkansas, you have the metropolitan area of Little Rock and the surrounding cities, of which where I live. In southwest Arkansas, you have the Ouachita Mountains, pictured here, were also very beautiful mountains. Through my experience in speaking to other stakeholders regarding turkey management, there has been a noticeable decline of turkey population in Arkansas. As you can see, in 2004, we've reached a high of harvest numbers, and in 2012 and currently we are experiencing very low, near record low numbers of harvest. I believe this corresponds to climate change. 2009 was the wettest year on record, and if you look, I believe that corresponds to the low harvest numbers and the reduction of population of the turkeys in subsequent years. In fact, the top 3 wettest years were within the last 11. In addition to the wettest years, recently there have been a lot of drought. If you look at the driest years on record, many of them have been recent. This leads to a lot of turmoil on turkey's reproduction from year to year. Some of the concerns that there is the survivability of poults within the first few weeks range from only 52 to 12%. This is a large variability, but it shows that it is hard to understand poult survival because we lack the ability to track the poults once they have been hatched. Turkeys need a near perfect balance of climate during this period. Too dry, and there is no new vegetation growth for the hen to hide her nest and the poults to hide in. Too wet leads to flooding and depredation of the turkeys themselves, but additional loss to the invertebrate foods that the poults depend on. Additionally, warm, moist conditions may enhance the ability of the olfactory senses of predators to locate nests. Another policy concern is data collection. Arkansas uses a brood survey monitor. In addition to that, they combine the harvest reports, and that is where they compile the data to estimate the population of turkeys. Per the Arkansas Game and Fish Commission, survey participation has been in a steady decline. Nearly half of the reported observations from 2018 were from only 7 of 75 counties in Arkansas. To me, this spells like Arkansas is in trouble with turkey management, and hence an adaptive management plan to manage turkeys in Arkansas.